People think going to the moon means abandoning Earth. That is the opposite of reality. The moon is not humanity's escape plan. The moon is humanity's repair system. Every civilization that discovered a new frontier saved the old world. The New World saved Europe. Industrialization saved agrarian societies. Space will save Earth. Not by leaving, but by offloading. Earth is overloaded. Too much industry, too much extraction, too much waste concentrated in one biosphere. The planet is not failing, it is overloaded. The solution is not population collapse. The solution is planetary expansion. The moon allows humanity to move heavy industry off Earth. Mining, refining, chemical processing, mega manufacturing, all moved into vacuum. No forests destroyed, no oceans poisoned, no ecosystems harmed. Earth becomes a living planet again. The moon becomes Earth's power station. Solar arrays in permanent sunlight. Fusion fuel extracted from regolith. Energy beamed to Earth via microwave or laser. No coal, no oil. No combustion-based civilization. A planetary-scale power grid in space. AI robots will not only build the moon, they will restore Earth. Robotic forests. Automated ocean cleaning. Carbon capture systems at planetary scale. Soil regeneration machines. Humans could never deploy this at scale. Machines can. The moon economy funds Earth restoration. Industrial profits finance planetary repair. New wealth replaces extractive capitalism. Civilization becomes regenerative. For the first time in history, growth no longer destroys the planet. A new frontier changes human behavior. When humanity builds outward, it stops fighting inward. The moon gives humanity a mission. A project bigger than war, a story bigger than conflict. Planets evolve, civilizations evolve. Species either expand or collapse. The moon is not science fiction. It is the next stage in the planetary cycle. Earth becomes a preserved biosphere. The moon becomes the industrial heart. Humanity becomes a multi-world species. Galileo showed us Earth was not the center of the universe. We must now show humanity that Earth is not the only world we can build. The moon will not replace Earth. It will save it. And the future of humanity is not choosing between planets. It is learning to build them.